Hey guys, welcome back. Shock, we have another question. The bending moment m of a simple beam used in bridge construction is given by the formula m equals wl over 2x minus w over 2x squared. If L equals 13 meters, W equals 16 kilograms per meter, and M equals 288 kilogram meters, calculate the values of X. Wow. So again, we've got a very tricky looking equation, but it does tell us what L is and what W is and what capital M is. So if we just sub in what we have, let's see if it makes it any easier for us. Let me write down the equation first. M equals WL over 2x. One thing about L, make sure it doesn't look like a 1. Something I like to do is put a little hook on it, like a running writing L, or a cursive L. Minus W over 2x squared. So M, we know, it's 288, so we can substitute that in. 288 equals W. W is 16, times L, which is 13, over 2x minus W, we've already used that, it's 16, over 2x squared. These fractions, we can simplify those. They don't look very nice, so let's make it a bit easier to look at. 16 divided by 2, that's 8. 8 times 13, that'd be 104 x, and 16 on 2, that's just 8, minus 8 x squared. Would you believe it? We have an x squared, we have an x, and we have a constant over here. This is a quadratic. Let's make this equal 0. 0 equals. And you know what? This x squared term, let's put that out the front. And we've got to be careful. It's not just 8x squared, it is negative 8 squared. Don't forget about that minus sign. This 104x, that's a positive 104. If it was negative, it would have a negative sign at the front. And when we rearrange this 288 to the other side, we've minused 288 to both sides. So now we've got a quadratic, and we know all of the values. We have a equals negative 8, b equals 104, and c equals negative 288. Now here, it doesn't tell us what x is. It just says to calculate the value or values. So, if we use our quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, we might get one or two values. Now, I'm not going to do this for you guys. The hard bit, I would say, is figuring out what you have to do. But once we get to a quadratic, hopefully you guys know what to do from there. And you can enjoy the process on your own. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys next time.